When our development team sat down to figure out our strategy for development on the 6th generation Camaros, we were really just continuing a conversation we've been having with the Camaro community for many decades. Growing up, my father, founder of Borla Exhaust, owned a '69 Camaro. I remember just loving how that car sounded, so even myself personally, I took this development really seriously. Over the years, GM has been committed to evolving the Camaro technologically, and I'm proud to say that over that same period, we've also been evolving our products. It's really become the perfect marriage on the 6th generation Camaro because a lot of the technology that we've been working so hard on over the last decade, you'll find in our exhaust systems for the new Camaro. We didn't just go back to the well and take the same mufflers we've been using on Camaros or the last generation Camaro and simply put it on this Camaro. We started from scratch. We built entirely new mufflers with a completely new strategy for this car, and it really deserves it. I think that from an exhaust perspective, the most obvious advancement in the 6th generation Camaro versus the 5th generation Camaro is the NPP or valve technology that we first saw on the C7 Corvette. We knew from the very beginning that it was very important for us to retain this technology and in fact improve upon it, because that's the expectation an end user has when they purchase an exhaust system, especially a Borla exhaust system. So what we did was we wanted to make the delta between quiet and loud a lot more noticeable. We wanted to make the loud circuit a lot throatier and a lot more aggressive. We wanted to change the note of the quiet circuit without making it that much louder. And I'm proud to say that we were able to accomplish those things. And I think that when end users experience this product, they're going to be really excited about it. Working with the NPP technology wasn't enough. We wanted to kick it up a notch and offer another level of personalization by marrying our 3 different sound levels with the NPP technology. So we took our Touring, our S-Type, and our Attack technologies and integrated them into the loud circuit or the open circuit of the exhaust system. So you'll find that the closed circuit, all 3 of them are very similar. But when the exhaust valves are open, they're dramatically different from one another, not just in decibel level or how loud they are, but the character of the exhaust note varies greatly between these 3 different sound levels. And to help you appreciate this, we're going to show them to you right now and compare them to the stock system as well.